Hi, good evening. So for the matching and non-matching to sample concept learning in rats using the olfactory stimuli study, this was a really interesting study that took a closer look at addressing whether multiple exemplar training with the researchers looked at 5 to 10 olfactory stimuli, whether they would lead to concept learning in the rat subjects. And above and beyond that, the researchers were overall interested in demonstrating whether or not they would see generalization to novel stimuli in their rat subjects. So they looked at 7 rats. One of the rats had to be replaced. From what I understand, it wasn't cooperating, which I'm sure happens, particularly in animal trials. And they were comparison samples and stimuli samples with various scents, which the researchers listed that range from everything from things like dill and ginger to coffee and garlic. A lot of this was based off of prior research by Pena et al. In 2006. And they tested an operant chamber, and the rats were randomized in the matching and non-matching contingency groups. So that was our independent variable, which contingency group they ended up in. And our dependent variable here was the correct matching of the sample and comparison cups, which contained the various scent stimuli. And the operational definition of that dependent variable, of the matching, of the ability to obtain or locate the sample stimuli within the various masked cups of sand, was pawing or distribution of sand from around the sample cup by the rat. So there was specific behavior they were using as criteria for that dependent variable there. So let's see what else here. We had randomization of subjects into those various training sequences. And the analysis showed that what they were looking for was demonstrated. So they were able to generalize to the novel stimuli, and functional control did seem to be present because of the support for generalization which was found, and the reversal methods which were used. So the last sequence trial for each of the rat conditions was using a reversal condition so that they could compare. And then this was a replication of prior research, so replication was also supported. I would imagine that this type of research is very useful in terms of animal husbandry and care and even conservation. Thank you.